So, and what kind of subjects do we cover here, basically?
The kind of subjects we cover. In fact, एक चीज बोलता हूँ कि we have now written a book. That book has just got published. अभी e-book है सिर्फ Amazon पे. हाँ, it is titled as "You Don't Have to Be Rich to Solve Problems." And
Wow.
this is a compilation of case studies of our students.
Wow. That's unique.
छोटे बड़े कुछ 50 केस स्टडीज लगा दिए है हमने. केस
Wow.
स्टडीज मतलब एक्चुअली उन्होंने उन्होंने क्या किया है.
Wow.
So
Okay.
yes.
So typically in a 7 day a month and 11 months, what is that they learn? What are the kind of subjects or what they go through?
Okay. Another thing we concentrate is fundamentals.
Okay.
एकदम बेसिक क्वेश्चन पूछने का जो कोई नहीं पूछ रहा है. I learned this from the Japanese. Ask
Okay.
fundamental questions. So our subjects are practical subjects, not like normal MBA. हाँ,
Okay.
हाँ, नॉर्मल एमबीए में ऐसा रहता है. मान लीजिए ये पूरा मैनेजमेंट है. हाँ, तो उसमें ये ऐसा रहता है कि एक सब्जेक्ट होता है. हाँ, और ऑपरेशंस, तो ऑपरेशन सीखो. और दूसरा सब्जेक्ट होता है मार्केटिंग, मार्केटिंग सीखो. हाँ, एंड सो ऑन. तो एमबीए में ऐसा अलग अलग चीज सिखाते हैं. लेकिन हम लोग सिखाते हैं ना, दैट इज एन इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ द होल थिंग.
Very
We
nice.
also cover special attention we give to innovation, creativity, finding opportunity.
Wow.
हाँ, नया कुछ मिलेगा. And you know, we have a trick in that. हमारा एक बहुत बड़ा secret है. It is exactly opposite to what other institutes do.
Okay.
The secret is we mix people from different disciplines.
Fantastic.
हाँ, गलती
Okay.
क्या करते हैं बहुत सारे एमबीए में भी होता है कि कंस्ट्रक्शन के लोग एक क्लास में बैठेंगे,
Yes.
मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के लोग एक क्लास में बैठेंगे, ट्रेडर्स है वो एक क्लास में बैठेंगे, आईटी और ई बिजनेस है वो एक क्लास में बैठेंगे. लेकिन वहां क्या होता है सर कि इफ यू सी ना, एक आदमी जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कर रहा है और दूसरा कर रहा है, दे ऑल थिंक इन द सेम वे.
So true. So
हाँ, एक ट्रेडर और दूसरा ट्रेडर सेम सोचता है. फिर वो 19-20 का खेल होता है. मैं तुम्हारे से थोड़ा ज्यादा स्मार्ट हूँ, आप मेरे से ज्यादा स्मार्ट है, उतना ही खेल होता है. बट व्हेन यू मिक्स ना, when you mix people from different industries, you bring them together, cross fertilization of ideas happen.
very nice.
हाँ, एक टेक्निक है, कानबान नाम का टेक्निक है. एग्जांपल बोलता हूँ, टोयोटा में बड़ा फेमस टेक्निक है. इट cuts your inventory down and stock out. अच्छा काम होता है. It is used heavily in manufacturing. Do you know where it was born? It was born in the supermarket. Mr. Taiichi Ono. This is Mr. Taiichi Ono. He was the great genius in Toyota who did it. He writes a story कि वो जब भी अमेरिका गए first time, he saw in the supermarket, अरे their way of working is different. जितना जाता है उतना ही आता है, ज्यादा नहीं आता है. And he said, मेरा भी वही है रे. I've got an automobile assembly line. तो एक के पीछे एक कार है and they are consuming the spare parts. एक कार बम्पर खाती है, दूसरा कार बम्पर खाती है, तीसरा कार बम्पर खाती है. That's all. So can I apply this Kanban system? And the system was born. It created a revolution in manufacturing. So actually creativity ना बहुत simple है. अपने बैठने के बजाय, mix up with other people. This is one very unique feature of the program. So जो networking होता है ना, the networking is with different people.
Yes.
I'll tell you one more thing. If everybody is in construction, एक कीड़ा मन में आता है कि अरे मैं मेरा सीक्रेट बताऊं, उनको भी मालूम पड़ेगा. So suppose I have a good practice. हाँ, मेरा एक स्टूडेंट था, he had a practice. He used to supply sand and ये सब aggregates बोलते हैं उसको, हाँ, to the construction industry. So while supplying sand, he had introduced a new policy, quality check at source. तो from the river जहाँ से sand निकल रहा है ना, वहां पे वो quality check करता है. He had taken a mobile van which goes and does the chemical quality check वगैरह वगैरह. So when it reaches the site for construction, it never gets rejected.
Wow.
Now he is not very keen to tell this to other people in the same business. So if you sit in a class with everybody in the same business, सब लोग चुप रहते हैं, कोई बताता नहीं है.
So true.
Whereas if you mix up, then people are very comfortable. अरे तेरे को बताऊंगा ना, तू क्या करने वाला है? You are in a different business.
So true.
So बहुत अच्छा cross
So,
fertilization.
sir, typically, what is the format of the program? Because I'm seeing a lot of Q&As coming on that direction. And now, when do you start this year? I heard you were going to start in November of this year, and
Yes.
it's going to be initially it's going to be online, and then you move on physical as and when the lockdowns open. So, what is the program and how it is going to happen this year, sir?
Yes. Okay. So we are going to start in November, and the previous batch is passing out in October. Unfortunately, this batch had 50% of the time physical classes, and then we were forced to have these
Online.
online classes.
Okay.
But we have told them that the day we are permitted to allow students to come physically, we will give you a special invitation, though you are passed out and you are not a
Wow.
student, you are not paying fees, but you will still be welcome. So
Wow.
come, we will have special classes for you.
Fantastic.
Dr. Salukya, our director, has approved of it. Plus, the
Fantastic.
new batch will start. The format will be that we will have lectures for 7 days or 6 days in a week. Generally, 2 or 3 lectures
In a day.
of 2 hours each.
So,
Yeah.
5 to 6 hours every day, 7 days a week.
हाँ,
Very
correct.
nice.
And physical जब ये होता है तभी physically is always better because you can interact with each other much better than over this thing. Yeah.
Sure.
And second thing is, before if you join today, you pay your first installment of fees. That means you're serious.
Yes.
Issue is not the money. Issue is your seriousness.
Absolutely.
We immediately start special pre-work classes for you.
Wow. Yeah, I heard a lot of students are already from February and March. They are a part of your
Yes.
program, which is starting in November.
Yes.
And you all are giving them assignments, right? If I'm
Yes, and they've already started getting the gains. एक student है, he
Wow.
fills gases. He used to fill 1500 cylinders a day. He's filling 2000. No investment.
Wow.
No investment. We use some of these
Wow.
Japanese techniques that we talk about.
Wow. Wow.
So once you come for this 1 week, then you go back to your hometown, to your industry, and
Wow.
you start applying things. Call us on the phone. Third week में तो एक घंटा phone call चलता है हर एक जन के साथ. Sometimes twice, thrice in a week.
Wow.
Fourth week again implement. You're back to the cycle starts again.
Sure.
Yes. So
Sir,
this is the
so
format.
perfect. So those who are interested to really scale up their business and bring really a direction to their vision and the business, the batches are starting in November. The admission process is already on. We have your details. We will share the program details because people are on Facebook also asking about the program details, when to start. So we will share that. We'll keep that for later. So you will have all the information. There is a thorough process of selection because we also want to check, one, as sir said, your seriousness, and second, whether we can add value to your business and whether you are really going to benefit, because this 7 lakh for a business owner is like a 50,000 rupee investment a month, and you are getting inputs on marketing, finance, leadership, digital transformation, which is like how expensive it is otherwise, and from the best people. So the seriousness from both sides to grow together is equally important. That's what I understand from what Dr. G is saying. Otherwise, we also are not keen to invest time and effort as a big brand and faculty with you if you don't want to grow in life. True.
The program costs 7 lakh rupees.
The question was there, I saw.
Correct. I saw the question and that's why I'm answering. We had a guy called Ashok Bhasin, Faridabad mein hai. He paid 7 lakh. And do you know what was his return on investment? He increased his business by 7 crore.
Wow.
Per annum.
Wow. But what he applied, sir? What you all taught and what he applied?
He applied a technique called SMED. कितने लोग को मालूम है SMED? Business people. How many of you know SMED? SMED can enable you to get 100 times return, 50 times return.
Wow.
But ये technique मालूम नहीं है. MBA में भी सिखाते नहीं है. This is straight from Japan.
Okay.
And this is the secret of many things which which will give you strong competitive advantage. Yeah.
Okay.
We had another boy, young boy, 21-year-old boy. He's in the t-shirt making business.
Okay.
Mumbai mein. Business meaning trading, pure trading.
Okay.
तो वो तिरुपुर या अपना जालंधर नहीं, हाँ, वहां
Yes.
से
Yes. Mhm.
पटियाला वगैरह वहां से लाता है टी शर्ट्स एंड ही distributes them here. So he came one day. He had passed out. He had become alumnus. But alumnus is always welcome.
Sure.
In fact, some of our students now, when the batch finishes, they say, "Sab, हम लोग आते रहने वाला है till you stop us at the gate." So
Okay.
uh, you have to continue giving us inputs.
Correct.
And as they mature na, like थोड़ा initially नहीं आते हैं 6 months or something, then they mature and they realize अरे ये कुछ बोला था क्लास में अभी याद नहीं है ठीक से, चलो. And we always support them, we give them free classes, extra lectures. करो. Our institute belongs to something called as SP Mandali. SP Mandali stands for Shikshan Prasarak Mandali. Our objective is शिक्षण का प्रसार करने का. So we follow that, and we say, so what if you have passed out? सीखने का है आपको, मैं सिखा सकता हूँ. मैं मतलब any professor, not only me alone. हाँ, तो आओ, take it. You become successful in life, we are more successful.
So true. Absolutely.
So this boy, he had come, and one day he came as an alumnus, and he asked, sir, अभी I want to put up a big warehouse. मेरा दादर में छोटा सा warehouse है, very small. हाँ, तो मैं अभी ये बिजनेस बढ़ रहा है, अच्छा हो रहा है. थैंक यू, आपने क्वालिटी सिखाया, सब चल रहा है. तो कहाँ लगाओ warehouse? And we just gave them little indirect guidance. हाँ, आफ्टर सम टाइम उसको फोन किया, आजकल फोन नहीं किया क्या रे, कहाँ लगाया वेयर हाउस, भिवंडी लगाया क्या, यू आर थिंकिंग वगैरह. साहब आई एलिमिनेटेड द वेयर हाउस बिकॉज वी रिमेम्बर यू हैड टॉट अस कि वेयर हाउस की क्या जरूरत है, इनकमिंग रेट और आउटगोइंग रेट में फर्क है.
Yes. So there is inventory.
ये वेयर हाउस लगता है.
Hmm.
I said, instead of putting money into the warehouse, let me put my brain into matching the incoming and outgoing.
So
तो
true.
जितना जाने वाला है उतना ही मंगाता हूँ,
True.
उतना ही मंगाता हूँ. So actually मेरा warehouse कम हो गया है.
Wow.
And I took a regular student to see there. He said, साहब मत आओ, there is nothing to see. I said, मुझे वही दिखाने का है कि there is a warehouse where there is nothing to see.
Wow. Absolutely new way of doing business, you know.
Again, thanks to the Japanese.
True.
माल रखने का क्यों?